Hello everyone, welcome to the installation tutorial for PLUMB. In this issue we are talking about the new M1 product. Everyone look at the tailgate side expansion gearbox. Why is called expansion equipment box? Because it is based on the original body. No changes were made to the original car. A storage space, left and right pair. Then its main material is carbon fiber. The entire box is dry carbon fiber. So its strength, including its texture, is very good. Then it also has some metal parts. Metal parts are all aluminum. Let's take a look at its shape. Its left side is not the same as the right side. Its curved surface is completely different. This product is currently one of the more complex in terms of all PLUMB products. Because not only is everything in it not a mirror relationship, every part is different. Then it's complicated to make. Everyone look at its structure is also more complex. First of all, this storage box, except that he carries a lock, it also comes with this carabiner. This is very much like our suitcase. Just turn it on. Because it is not locked now, everyone can lock up to prevent theft when using. After open it, look at the space inside. It is relatively deep. There is a large enough space. This usually we can put some fire extinguishers, rescue equipment, etc. It is fixed by this strap. Our factory is equipped with a Velcro. The metal parts on this side of the lid and this side of the box can be fixed. Everyone take a look at this badge section. PLUMB's logo. Relief sculpture, high gloss, mirror finish, very textured. Its inlay relationship is very layered. Its mounting position is completely different. So it is more complicated for us to make. The fit with the original car is very good. He said the folding part are metal. You do not have to worry about its strength. Very strong, very strong. So where is this position installed? Mounted at the rear of the car in a position above the taillights. Wait a minute, we load the car to see its specific loading effect. So let's start the installation now. Check it out. We start with rivets. Pull rivets can be put rivet gun M6. This is our factory equipped screw mounting screws. This is also our factory equipped with 2 fixed plate. And our equipment box. Everyone see this rivet, don't be afraid. It's not necessary for you to use the hand drill to open the hole, because our original car has. Just put our rivets on the original holes and you're done. As far as we need to restore the original decorative plate later, there is no impact. There are many friends still do not know exactly which position to install. Let's take a look at the tail light above this decorative plate to replace the box with ours. What about before we install it? We use paper tape to protect the body of A. To avoid some scratches during installation. This will protect a lot better. Now let's start to remove the first decorative plate. Before disassembly, we need to go ahead and protect our car paint. Then use a plastic tool to insert this position. It is full of snaps inside. Just pull it out directly. Pull down from the side. You can see that we have removed the left side. You can see that the space in this place is relatively large. So we designed this box. In addition, our box it is the original bit. You can see this place has many holes. This is the original bit of the hole. Boxes are loaded directly on. When disassembling our right side, we also need to go to the right side of this contact surface to protect. After coming down to this position you can see it will get stuck in the door. Adjust the angle of the door so that it can be removed. You can see that we can find such two metal plates inside the package. Our base plate is mounted to our location. The two sides it is not the same, as you can see. On the other side it has a small corner in this place. This is the right side. We now take the left side as an example. Let's go put it in. Before installation, first install the side adhesive strips. Then press inward. Because our box it is locked by this screw. Use the screws to lock to our installed bracket. You can see that there will be 6 screws on the top. The same is true for the right side. Loosen the screws. Let's go put it in from the side. Insert it after we go to lock the screws tight. After locking we install the other. Hole location using rivets for installation. Then the installation method and disassembly of the box is the same. Adjust the angle of the door. Install in. The screws inside are exactly the same as the left side. Now we are done with the installation. Everyone take a look at this equipment box. Very well integrated with the whole car. Basically, you can't tell it's a modified part. It is more like an original. Everyone look at the very even surface. The combined texture of any angle is very good. Then it is also easy to open. We're in an unlocked state. Normal this is keyed, can be anti-theft. You can lock it up. Open the snap. Open our snap on it. You can also fix a lot of things into it. The right side is the same as the left side. He opened the same way. Exactly the same as the original. Exact match. The overall proportion is very good, very textured.